We've kind of been disappointed with some of our hotel rooms here because the pictures that are on the websites that you look for them are not really what the rooms actually look like.
They have very good descriptions, but they don't quite represent the actual room.
Welcome to our channel. Join us on a budget-friendly exploration of the world's wonders. Hit subscribe and let the journey begin.
So our mission today is we need a place to live for the next week. So we're renting a moped to find some apartments and hotels. Yeah.
Watch until the end to see some hilarious bloopers.
We feel that this is an investment for our next 7 days.
Yes. So we're gonna go see what there is out there. We went to 3 so far and we can't say any of them
Just don't feel like home for the next week.
Not what we're wanting. Okay, so let's go. Will number 4 be it? Okay, we're feeling a little better now. Number 4 is definitely a contender. The room and the bathroom are a bit small, so we are still gonna go look, but if we had to book, we would book this one. So, yeah. Here we go. Here we go again. Don't know what we did there, but...
Oh, they have specials, all these event specials.
Okay, that was $20 over our budget, so we didn't even go look at a room or anything, so. Next one up.
Giddy up. Hotel number 85.
Please subscribe to our channel to watch our crazy adventures. Well, this one looks nice. Okay, this one is definitely a contender. Nicest one we've seen. Includes breakfast, has a pool, has everything we would want. So we do
have a gym.
It has a gym and even a washing machine. Like, come on. We'll probably end up booking this one, I would assume.
Needs a I need a washing machine.
But we have 2 more to look at. Let's go. There's one more we were going to go look at, but it's like a mile outside of town, so we would have to rent a moped or get a ride if we wanted to go anywhere every day. So I think we found one we like. Yeah. And we're gonna go back right now and book it. All right, looks like this is the hotel we're gonna go with. Things that we love about this hotel room and that check off of our list were the amount of storage that we have. It also has a safe and it has a refrigerator and a hot pot for Trevor to make his coffee in the morning. Another thing that is important to us is cleanliness. This hotel definitely exceeds that expectation. It is so clean. All right, the next important thing is the bathroom. So the bathroom is actually one of the more spacious bathrooms we've had, and it has a true shower, which is really important to us, with the shower head above your actual head. And it has hot water because we have had a few showers in Cambodia without hot water. All right, another added bonus is we got this little balcony with a little table and chairs. Another thing we were looking for, since we're slowing down, is a pool, and this one comes with a great pool, nice and shady. This hotel also comes with breakfast. It is a continental breakfast, so it is small. This wasn't something that we necessarily need to have, but we were super excited when we saw this little gym. Another thing that's important to us when we travel is getting our laundry done, and this is the first hotel room in Southeast Asia that we have had that actually comes with a washing machine, and they provide you with the soap as well. So we are so excited to kind of slow down, stay here, get our bags unpacked, have stuff in shelving, have our bathroom stuff out, and not have to pack up every few days. For all of this, we pay a total of $20 per night. Google Maps has failed us twice today. We went down a random alley and it took us to someone's house. They just smiled and waved at us. We turned around and left.
I got keys. My stress level is now through the roof again. But actually driving here isn't as bad. It's better than any other place that I think we've been. It's still stressful. Right here?
Yeah.
Hold on.
It is 1:45 a.m. and our air conditioner started making this noise.